deployment. Okay, so all actions have been taken, and we have various options, various contingencies that can arise.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Koteshwar Rao, Deccan Chronicle.
Good morning, sir. My question is about the number of aircrafts. Are we moving from airframes?
Can you please put the mic closer to you?
Are we moving from a
I can't
doctrine
hear
of
you.
having?
Give him a different mic, please.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we moving from a doctrine of having a large number of airframes to a smaller number of strategic platforms?
Not really. Don't look at the sector and that analysis and put it on the larger template. Okay. There is no indication from the current situation that you can draw inference towards what you are moving.
Oh, this wasn't related to the current situation. It was a general question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Krishnamurthy, Republic TV.
Sir, can you just tell me now, as IAF chief, after looking at NSC, what is your message to the adversary? And has China, in fact, transgressed 2 kilometers inside the boundary, international boundary?
I don't have to give any message to adversary. He knows our capability and he will factor it, and he will take due cognizance of our capabilities. You'll see it in due course. I can't hear you.
Transgressed 2 kilometers inside the international boundary.
No, Army has released the information. Given the press release, go by that. The information has been given.
Mr. Naidu from Times Now.
Sir, tell us something about the. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, tell us something about the patrolling that is going on. Aircraft carriers have been deployed there, and choppers also continuously patrolling this. Can you tell us something about that? The patrolling.
Air bases all over. It's not that we will deploy only at Leh, and the activity at Leh is indicative of our capability or our overall posture or deployment. Okay, and I would not be obviously going into where we have deployed what.
So, but
Be rest
now-
assured that we know the situation and we have taken necessary actions that are required to be taken to
But
handle
now-
the situation.
But now, sir, activity has been increased there in the Leh airport, and we can see many aircraft carriers have been brought in there. Something about how many and
Yeah, when there are
the
aircraft
patrolling
there,
is on.
activity will increase. So there are some deployment at Leh and there are at other places. So increased activity there obviously.
Thank you. Miss Ridhima from New Indian Express.
Hello, sir. First question is that the Chinese air bases, they are on a higher altitude. So is that going to be a problem for the Indian air base, or is that going to be a good thing for the our air base?
It is a good thing for us if they are at higher altitude. In general. And I will not go into the tactical aspects of what is advantages to them or us. Suffice to know that we know what their airfields are, where they are deployed, what are their operational bases, and deployed we need to cater, and that we have done.
Okay, sir. So are we deploying any fighter planes, Apache? Initial reports that we were going to deploy it over there. So are we?
We have deployed it as per requirement. I can't go in for we deployed what obviously, but be rest assured we have done the needful.
So speaking of aircraft, sir, we were planning to the 83 light combat aircraft. We were planning to order them. Are we still talking in terms like, are we still going to increase the number of these crafts, or we were, as you mentioned, that we are going to have indigenous aircrafts. So are we planning to talk to the ordnance factory or other Medani group in manufacturing indigenous aircrafts in our country?
83 LCA will remain 83 LCA. That is not increasing, but what we are already following up 83 LCA. Incidentally, 83 LCA is at an advanced stage. It should fructify soon in terms of contract. I think that's what you're asking. The follow-on will be other marks of LCA. LCA Mark II we are already progressing. It's at on design stage. And in terms of domestic production, a lot is happening in terms of PSUs, in terms of private sector, in terms of MSMEs, and in terms of handling the issues, be it norms, be it placement of contracts. So you will see a lot of activity towards that.
Anything specific, sir, that you can mention?
From Air Force perspective,
Yes, sir.
for the aviation industry, we will have LCA Mark II as follow-up of 83. We will have AMCA that we have committed, 2 squadrons of Mark I followed by 5 squadrons of Mark II. So we will have HTT 40. There is a lot that has been committed to the aviation industry. If you take the total, it almost comes to 300 plus aircraft over the next 15 years.
Okay.
So the entire this production will go to the aviation industry. It is important to set it up correctly now, and it's important to develop this ecosystem correctly, and that work has started.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Sushi, Times of India.
Sir, Sushil again from Times of India. I just want to ask you about passing out parade also. That's what I had in mind. Now you said these people who passed out now, the cadets who passed out now, they will straight go to the field. Now, is that an emergency situation?
No, it's not an emergency. That these are not the officers who will get into the cockpits to fight or into the combat at the front end. But obviously, 100 numbers is a good number to have in the field, and also in terms of our current situation, we are taking all our officers from our training institutes directly to the field units. One, to expedite their training on the next system that they are planned to be deputed. So it's all a plan so that they become operational at the earliest.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Sanjay Tiwari, India Today.
संजय तिवारी हूँ मैं सर न्यूज़ 18 से। आपने बोला कि चीन का जो डिप्लॉयमेंट है वहाँ पर क्रॉस बॉर्डर
नहीं ला जाते हैं, बट इस बार थोड़े कम थे बिकॉज हम वो जहाज दूर से नहीं लाए जो जिनको यहाँ पे डिटैचमेंट करना पड़ता, वो कोविड रिलेटेड प्रिकॉशंस थे। ओके, सो जो जहाज यहाँ आने चाहिए, थोड़ी जो कमी है वो कोविड कंसर्न है, नॉट कंसर्न विद द करंट सिचुएशन। अगर करंट सिचुएशन इतनी डिफिकल्ट होती तो मैं यहाँ नहीं होता। जहाँ तक सिचुएशन का सवाल है, अगर आने पर तो ला सकते हैं, हमारे पास स्ट्रेंथ काफ़ी है। ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं है कि हमने सब कुछ एक जगह कमिट कर दिया है, तो उसकी चिंता नहीं करिए आप।
सर, चाइना का जो डिप्लॉयमेंट बढ़ गया, थोड़ा सा एलाबोरेट करेंगे वो किस तरह से, कितना बड़ा?
जितना हर साल वो करते थे उस एरिया में डिप्लॉय एंड एक्सरसाइज, उससे इस बार ज़्यादा है। एंड जब ये एक्टिविटी LAC पे मई के बाद बढ़ी तो उसमें और चेंजेस आए, बढ़ाव आए, एंड वो सब हमने मॉनिटर किया है, तो उसी के अनुसार हमने अपने भी एक्शंस लिए हैं।
Thank you. Ms. Corina.
Good morning, I'm Corina from Newsmeter. So since you have touched upon a lot of subjects, I would like to ask you about the rising concern at the Palangtol Lake, which they are saying that, the Chinese are releasing their troops at the lake side.
Yeah, that presence is known. You know what has been released by the army, so the army is handling it and they're doing the needful.
Is there any IFS deployment at the Palangtol Lake, sir?
No, we don't have deployment at the LAC, so to say, but we take our actions depending upon whenever the contingency arises.
Okay.
LAC army is handling, and our support from helicopters and whatever is required, that is integrated.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. All the best.
तो एयर चीफ मार्शल RKS भदौरिया को आप सुन रहे थे, जिन्होंने एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण और एक बड़ी बात जो कही वो ये, आप जरूर है लेकिन चीन सीमा पर हालात फिलहाल सामान्य हैं और जरूरत पड़ी तो पूरी तरीके से तैयारी हमारी है। हर तरह से जवाब देने के लिए हमारी सेना पूरी तरह तैयार है। LAC पर हम हर स्थिति को संभालने के लिए पूरी तरीके से तैयार। सेना हर हाल में जवाब देने के लिए पूरी तरीके से सक्षम है। किसी भी कीमत पर सीमा की रक्षा करेंगे, ये अब बड़ा संकल्प यहां पर दिखा रहे थे और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बातें यहां पर उन्होंने मीडिया के सामने कही, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि जरूरत पड़ी तो पूरी तरीके से सेना, वायुसेना तैयार है। और इसी के साथ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, लौटते हैं।